The Queen Victoria Market, QVM or Vic Market as the locals call it, has been an essential part of Melbourne for over 100 years and was established back in 1878. Shoppers will be delighted to know that this market is their one-stop destination for buying fresh produce and vegetables, as well as souvenirs, clothing, bags, accessories, and so much more. Melburnians affectionately call this market the Vic Market. Local farmers and vegetable growers often come here to sell fresh produce, homemade food items, gourmet dishes, and herbal goods. In addition, the market also boasts stalls selling locally made arts and crafts, cosmetics, and a wide array of souvenirs. This historic marketplace has been the heart and soul of Melbourne for more than a century. Even today, the Queen Victoria Market features many of the same stalls that have been here for over 50 years. This bustling market has become a tourist attraction in the city, with many visitors often stopping by this market to eat something fresh or just to shop. The Queen Victoria Market is open every day except Mondays and Wednesdays. However, during the summer months, November to February, there is a night market which runs on Wednesday evenings. The night market attracts thousands of visitors every Wednesday evening who come to buy street food, vintage clothing and artisan products, and to listen to live music and watch street performers. There are a number of bars where many come to relax in the city during the warm summer nights. If you can't make it to the market, shop online for over 3,000 products from more than 45 traders. Same-day delivery is available for more than 220 suburbs. Meat, fish, poultry, fruit and vegetables, bread, eggs, and deli products are all available to order. Nuts, organics, coffee, tea, wine, and craft beer can also be delivered. You can also click and collect. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.